What's up everybody, Colin here for Techout, and today I am going to show you how to natively airdrop from your Galaxy S26 Ultra to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And this is only available on the Galaxy S26 Ultra right now. The update just came out today. Sorry, S26 line. So S26, S26 Plus, S26 Ultra, but it is only available on the S26 series right now. That update just came out to the US today via a full software update. So you are going to need to go in to your Galaxy device and make sure you update via software update. It is not an app update or anything like that. And then if you search in settings here, it has a section under the quick share settings for share with Apple devices. Right here, make sure that is toggled on. There's no other settings for it. It just tells you how to use it, but I'm going to tell you guys how to use it in this video. So you're going to go into whatever you want to share. So for photos, for example, this is just a wallpaper I have, and then you just tap down here, go to quick share, and your device will show up here. It does take a second to kind of find your device. You do need to make sure that the AirDrop is enabled and set to everyone on your iPhone. So I just unlocked my iPhone right here, and you can see it just popped up. Again, you do need to make sure it is set to everyone, being that your Galaxy is obviously not on your Apple account and not going to be recognized as your device. It can't be set to contacts only. It has to be set to everyone for 10 minutes. So that is only enabled for 10 minutes, and then it will turn back off. So you do need to make sure that is turned on. But just tap your device. It will say connecting. And just like airdropping to anything else, it will pop up here on your device in a moment. There we go. We got an airdrop request. Galaxy S26 Ultra would like to share a photo. You click accept, and then it is going to, boom, open right up right there in photos. And there's the wallpaper that I just shared from my Galaxy S26 Ultra. And this works with iPad and Mac as well via AirDrop. All you have to do is, make sure it is enabled, again, set to everyone on there. You can also receive. So there we go. It is ready to receive. So if I want to send this photo back to it, we can go into share. We can go to AirDrop. You can see my Mac Studio is on there. And then right here, other devices, Galaxy S26 Ultra. Boom, tap that. And there we go. Now I am going to decline this request just because I already have the wallpaper on my phone, but if you hit accept, it would obviously transfer over. So pretty cool. If we're out of that menu, it does still, let me see if it'll still show up here. I don't think you have to be in a specific menu, but S26 Ultra, I'll click that. It will say waiting, and then we should get a request pop up here on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. I think we do have a, send file right here. Oh, sorry, that is the outbound transfers. So we didn't get a pop-up yet for that. You might have to be on the share sheet for it to pop up. Not too sure there. I haven't sent too many things from my iPhone to my Galaxy, but as you can see there, it does work Galaxy to iPhone very well. And you can also send back to your Galaxy. So it says to quick share to, you have to go to the quick panel. So you got to go to quick share in the quick panel, which I'm going to have to add. And we will add a control. Quick share. So we'll put quick share right here. We'll put quick share right here. I'll fix the order later, but we'll hit quick share right there. So there we go, ready to receive. And then you can tap it here on your iPhone, and then there we go, it pops up. So if you want to receive a file, all you have to do is go into that quick share menu and share it from your iPhone to your Galaxy S26 device. So pretty cool that this is enabled. Google had this on Pixels a couple months ago. I think it came out around December over there, but Samsung just released this in an update as well now today, so we can use native AirDrop on your Galaxy device over to your Apple device. Pretty cool. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.